Hey guys, Rich Bassini here, your YouTube vlog creator. Today I'm going to show you how to remove backgrounds and photos using Filmora 13. That's coming up. Stick around. Okay, here we are at the video editing page, and as you can see here I have one video clip and I have two snapshots. What I'm going to do first, we're going to start off, let's drop this here in a timeline first, the background. And then we're going to add the video clip. Now remember this, folks, when it comes to doing this here, let's just move this up a little here like that. And we're going to cut out some of this background here. Oh, some of the video clip, I'm sorry. We're just going to do that there really quick. Let's just cut over here, left click, and then go over here, and right click, and left click the ripple delete, and that brings me back to the timeline, the beginning of it. And let's stretch this out a little here, okay? And what you want to do now is really easy. What you're going to do is you're going to come up here, you're going to have where it says color, image, over here it says basic, mask, and then it says AI tools. You're going to click that on, and what you want to do is make sure you're clicked on first, okay? Before you do this, click your cell phone, make sure your video clip is clicked on first. Come over here to AI tools, and then come over, it says AI portrait. Click that on, and boom, there you are. Okay, and if you play it, you'll see it is the video clip. There I am. And we could always mute the sound. We don't have to keep the sound on here. Just mute it out. And as you can see here, you could do. And here, and not only that, when you're in this mode here, folks, when you click it on, you could always move yourself around. You could shorten it up a little if you want to, like this here. Make it smaller. If you want that small. And you can just reposition yourself in there as well. Okay, and also if you want a little more fun with it, this is just going forward when you actually do a video where you want to keep it, you want it to look good. Let me move myself over here. Just to spice up the photo a little, just come over here. It says color on top. Click that on, and here you're going to have different things. Here you're going to have exposure. Well, let's go up to the top here. Here you're going to have presets. Okay. And as you can see here, if you, whatever you hover over, it's going to look like. If you want a black and white, you want this one here, blockbuster, boost. Looks like I've been in the sun too long. Brighten, cool effect. You could do the cool effect or whatever. You know, you want it to, you do it to your liking, okay? Whatever. And what's nice about it too is it gives you manual adjustments too. Let's just say even though those presets are okay, they might not be to your liking. So for example, let's go over here. Let me just move over here down here for a second here. A little, go over this way. Okay. Here, you're going to be able to play around with this some more. You got the exposure, okay, like that there. You can make it brighter, which you want it too bright, whatever. This way you can do all your final adjustments. All right, that's exposure. Then again, you got the brightness again. You can do the brightness, whatever. Contrast, if you want to play around with the contrast, you can make it darker. I like the dark because I'm wearing a black shirt. That's the way it should look. Then you got highlight. You know, if you want to highlight the photo, whatever, I mean the video at this point, you could do that or just leave it alone. And you could play around with this at your own leisure, folks. And if you don't like any of it, you come down here where it says reset. You can reset it and it brings you right back again. But for me, this video is going to be a video, an actual video that I'm using. This is for demo purposes. I would be playing around with it. I would like to take, you know, the contrast is always important to me because not only does it darken you up, but it maybe gives you a nice little skin tone as well. Again, and if you want to sharpen up the video, you know, you might could hit the sharpen button over here. It'll sharpen up the photo. Sometimes you don't want to do too much because then it makes the picture a little grainy. So you got to play around with that there, you know. But again, this is where all the magic's going to happen. Like I said in my other videos, having good equipment to take the videos or whatever, or even photos, is one thing. But the video editing software is what's going to make that whole thing come together and give it a nice look, you know. A look that's going to be appealing to you. All right, so that's how you're going to do it with the video clip. So let's just go back over here. Let's move this back again, back to the timeline, and we're going to right click and we're going to cut that out, and now we're going to drop the snapshot in there. Okay, so we're just going to move this up again. Remember, folks, when it comes to this here, always make sure you're on top. Let's hit the scissor to cut this out. We don't need that. Okay, and here you are as in the snapshot. Again, this works for photos and snapshots. And all you got to do again is just come over here, click you want first in order to activate the settings, okay? And then come over here again, make sure AI tools is connected, right? Or highlighted, whatever, and hit the AI portrait, and boom, there you are. And the same thing applies. You know, you can click yourself on here, and you can move yourself around. You can shorten it up a little like that there. All right, and there you go. And again, you could do all the color adjustments on there and so on and so forth. All right, that's it. That's it in a nutshell. It's cut and dry. And I hope this video helped out. And if it did help out, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share. And if you want to be up there as to when I post out new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. This is Rich Bassini signing off with another Filmora tip. Talk to you guys the next time. Bye-bye for now.